Welcome to Talklitical TV. I'm your host, Lytical J, and I'm back with another logical perspective. Alright, welcome back everyone, and today we're discussing a quick update in the Ynw Melly murder trial, and this is about rapper Fredo Bang, aka Frederick Givens. So today the judge denied a motion that was put in by the prosecutors to pretty much force Fredo Bang to answer to certain questions that they had for him to answer. So let's just jump right on into the questions. The questions that the court asserted for him to answer, which he then used his attorney-client privileges to pretty much block the fact that he doesn't want to answer these specific questions. Question number 1, attorney-client privilege was asserted when asked if he went to the location at 4:42 a.m. that Jamel Demon sent via drop pins on iMessages. Number 2, attorney-client privilege as to if Jamel Demons asked him, Mr. Givens, to pick him up on the phone call on the morning of 10/26/18, which was an 8-minute phone call. Number 3, attorney-client privilege as to the identity of the person at his home on 10/26/18 after the homicide. Listed names included Jamel Demons, Jamie King, his mom, Mariah Hamilton, his girlfriend or ex-girlfriend, Felicia Holmes, Mariah's mom, Jameson 100 track Francois, Officer Francois, the manager, and Ashley Phillips. I'm not sure who that is. Number 4, attorney-client privileges as to the identity of the phone number, as you can see on the screen, phone call on his record after the conversation with Jamel Demons. Number 5, attorney-client privilege refused to provide phone number for Javar Sang of C'est La Vie Productions. Number 6, attorney-client privilege was asserted that he would not state whether he picked up Jamel Demons on 178th Avenue in Pembroke Pines Road at 4:42 a.m. and they have the latitude and the longitude directions there. And number 7, attorney-client privileges was asserted that he would not state whether he picked up Jamel. So this looks like a win in some sense, because those questions right there are some tough questions, especially if they have evidence, as far as, which I know they do, with the phone records to show, that they talked for 8 minutes, that, there was some type of message sent with drop locations and stuff like that. But the judge went ahead and denied the state's motion to compel, which is to pretty much force Fredo Banks to answer those questions. So being that he invoked his Fifth Amendment, saying that these things would be self-incriminating himself, that he does not have to answer. So if you watch my one of my last previous videos, it was about Melly's ex-girlfriend and her mother. There was also a motion put in by their lawyers to block them from answering or testifying. If you invoke your right and you get a lawyer to advise the court that you do not have to answer certain types of questions, then it's possible, as we can see, that the judge will go ahead and go along with just that. You will not have to testify. Even if you said some incriminating things, they will not be able to use any of that at the trial or even ask any questions if Fredo Bang still has to testify. So let me know how you feel about this update. There's more updates to come. The judge is definitely ruling on a lot of motions today, so we'll see updates within today and tomorrow. They still have Felicia and her mom. Well, Felicia's the mom, but the ex-girlfriend Mariah, they have her and her mother's motion to decide on as well. So let's see if the judge goes ahead and does the same thing for them. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. Jump down in my comments and let me know how you feel about this update.